The Honda XR250R has made its way onto the list finally. We are starting our repair manual production, tearing down this entire machine as usual. These are still really nice all-around dirt bikes. This is a really fun machine to ride, and it's cool to throw a leg over an XR since that name no longer is being produced. This is the last generation we're going to cover here, which will be 1996, and this is the last year model produced, which will be 2004. So there's still a lot of these out there. I get it if you're looking to keep yours or get one and catch it up on maintenance and repairs and go out and do some riding. I mean, with the adjustable suspension and a decent little engine, this bike is a lot of fun. So this repair manual we're producing will be available online, so you can sign up anytime. We do also offer a print form, which comes with a free year of online access if you kind of want to do both. If you have any questions about our services or this machine or project in particular, feel free to leave a comment or contact us through the website. We're always glad to help, and we appreciate you guys watching.